Good morning, beautiful people. Just wanted to have an opportunity to talk to you today about the importance of keeping your vibration high. Now, I know that life can throw lots of challenges at you, and it has for me too, on many an occasion. But as the positivity and transformation specialist, one of the things I love to do is to be able to recognize where I am and what I'm feeling at any particular time and do things to actively change my vibration, because the more positivity you exude and the more positivity you feel, the more positive things will start happening for you and to you. It's called the law of attraction, and it's also it's an energy thing. It's like, when you know instantly when you are around somebody with a high vibration, because they exude happiness. They feel good to be around. And that's one of the things I love to do for others, is to make them feel they're good to be around. And if you're not feeling that, it's perfectly normal. But what you can do to improve your positivity and improve your vibration is listen to some upbeat music, sing along. You can be around positive people, and you can read and engage in positive things, because it's really about you being able to recognize where you are, but then actively do something about it. One of the other things that takes 5 minutes to do is to go outside into the sun. If it's a sunny day, hopefully it's a sunny day, but if it's not, but okay, do something else. But if it is a sunny day, go outside, spend 5 minutes, but just stand up, sit down, do whatever you want to do, but look into the sun with your eyes closed and just let the sun beat on your face while you're thinking. Just let it absorb, feel the warmth, feel the goodness that the vitamin D is bringing you. And you will find that when you go back to whatever you were doing, you're looking at things from a different perspective. It's what I do, and I do it daily. So if you are struggling to find that positivity in your day, find the sun. It is such an amazing thing to do. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. Find the sunshine, find the sun, improve and lift your vibration. The nanosecond you do, positive things will start happening for you. Raise your vibration and positive things will start happening. Have a fabulous day. See you.